Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X plus y is equal to 100, xy is equal to 200. Solution. Then here we have x plus y is equal to 100. Let's call this equation 1. Then here xy is equal to 200. Let's call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 100. We can make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 100 minus s. Let's call this equation 3. Also from equation 1, from equation 2, sy is equal to 200. Then let's substitute for y. Here we have s bracket 100 minus s is equal to 200. Then we have s multiplied by 100. This is 100 s minus s multiplied by x. S square is equal to 200. And this is 100 s minus s square minus 200 is equal to 0. Now let's put this in standard form. Then if you put this in standard form, we have minus s squared plus 100s minus 200 is equal to 0. Now let's divide all through by minus 1. Then this is s squared minus 100x plus 200 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Then x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 100, c is equal to 200. X is equal to minus bracket minus 100 plus or minus square root of minus 100 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 200. Everything over 2 multiplied by 1. Then here we have x is equal to minus times minus 100. This is 100 plus or minus then square root of minus 100 squared, that is 10,000, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 200, that is 800. Everything over 2 multiplied by 1. This is 2. Then here we have x is equal to 100 plus or minus square root of 10,000 minus 800, that is 9,200. Then over 2. Then we have x is equal to 100 plus or minus square root of 9,200 can be written as, here we have 9,200. This is divisible by 2. 2 here. We have, here is 4600, and this is divisible by 2 as well. Then this is 2300. This is divisible by 2. Then here is 1150. This is divisible by 2. Then here we have 575. And this is divisible by 5. Then here is 115. This also divisible by 5. And this is 23. So this is divisible by 23. So this is 1. Now here we have 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. From here to here is 16. This is 16. Then from here to here is 25. And this is 23. So here will become square root of 16 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 23. Everything over 2. Now x will be equal to 100 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4, multiplied by square root of 25, 5, then root 23 over 2. S is equal to 100 over 2 plus or minus 4 times 5. This is 20 over 2 root 23. 2 here 1, 2 here 50, 2 here 1, 2 here 10. Then S is equal to 50 plus or minus 10 square root of 23. Therefore, S1 is equal to 50 plus 10 square root of 23, and S2 is equal to 50 minus 10 square root of 23. These are the values of x. We've gotten the values of x. Let's solve for y. To solve for y, then from equation 3, y is equal to 100 minus s. Now, y1 is equal to 100 minus s1 is 50 plus 10 root 23. Then y1 is equal to 100 minus 50 minus 10 square root of 23. y1 is equal to 50 minus 10 square root of 23. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 100 minus s2. y2 is equal to 100 minus 50 minus 10 root 23. y2 is equal to 50 plus 10 root 23. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1 comma y1 is equal to 50 plus 10 square root of 23 comma 50 minus 10 square root of 23. Then s2 comma y2 is equal to 50 minus 10 square root of 23 comma 50 plus 10 square root of 23. You can see that from here, the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here. And here, the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. If you check, you will also get the same answer correctly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.